Is this Kabodi miracle worker living up to the hype, or just another pretty face in the skincare world? We're diving deep to find out. First, let's address what True Beauty Glow claims to do. The promise: brighter, more even skin tone, reduced dark spots, and an overall radiant complexion. We're testing it on real skin, with real concerns like this tired complexion. Start by applying a pea-sized amount to clean, dry skin. Gently massage it in using upward and outward motions. Don't forget your neck and the copyright collage. Consistency is key, so aim for twice a day, morning and night. After 1 week of diligent use, you can already see the improvement. The skin looks brighter and less dull. Now, let's compare the before and after. The difference is pretty significant. The skin looks more hydrated, more evented, and has a definite glow. So, is True Beauty Glow legit? Based on our test, it definitely shows promising results. It's not a miracle cure, but with consistent use, it delivers on its promise of brighter, more radiant skin. Give it a try and see for yourself.